Hello everyone, I'm Chaitra, working as an assistant professor in SVC at CSC department, and welcome to my new channel. I'm so excited to share some of the engineering subjects with you all, whether you are a long time subscriber or a new to my channel. I'm so glad to hear for the new channel. I have put a lot of time and effort into creating something I think you will enjoy. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So I'm going to discuss about few things about network management. What is a network management? Network management is nothing but it is the sum total of applications, tools, and processes which is used to provision, operate, maintain, administer, and secure these some kind of the network infrastructure. So, the main role of the network management is ensuring that the network resources which are made available to the users efficiently, effectively, and quickly. So, it refers to the processes of overseeing the operation and maintenance of a computer network. This network management will involve monitoring the network, identifying and resolving the issues, and also ensuring that the network remains secure and available for use. This network managers it must have a deep understanding of the network infrastructure, including the hardware, software, and protocols, and be able to troubleshoot the problems as they arise. This network management is having some several aspects where this can be defined. So it can be defined in 5 ways, and also we can have some types of the network management. So let us discuss one by one: configuration management, performance management, security management, fault management, and the last one is accounting management. Configuration management. So this kind of the management which involves setting up and maintaining the network hardware as well as the software configurations, which ensures that all the components are working together seamlessly. Next is performance management. So this kind of the management which involves monitoring network performance and identifying potential bottlenecks or other issues that could impact the performance. Security management. So, this management involves implementing security protocols and monitoring the network for potential security threats such as unauthorized access or malware. In this security management, some of the protocols which supports to monitoring the security threats. Next, fourth one is fault management, so which involves identifying and resolving the problems that arise on the network such as hardware failures or software glitches. And the last one is accounting management, tracking network usage and ensuring that resources are being used efficiently. The next topic is data and telecommunication networks. So here in this telecommunication network, the data can be transferred from sender to receiver either in the analog or a digital mode. So some of it depends upon the some network components. So here our data will be converted from analog to digital or digital to analog and it reaches to the particular destination. So while transferring the data, that is a data transmission, it having three modes. First one is circuit switch, second one is message switch, and the last one is packet switch. What do you mean by circuit switch? So in this mode, a physical circuit will be established between the sender as well as the receiver. In another way, we can say the originating and terminating ends. And here, before the data is transmitted, there is a physical circuit, and This circuit is disconnected after completion of the transmission. In the second mode, that is a message switched mode. So here what happens is the data transmission. If any data is broken into packets and each packet is enveloped with the destination and originating addresses, and here the packets sorry here the message switched mode which used to send the long messages, for example like an email and any kind of the application software text messages like that. And whereas in the packet switched mode, here the data will be transmitted as small packets, which is used in applications such as interactive communication. And this packet switched mode, all the packets are fragmented and reassembled in almost real time. And there is a bridges as well as the routers to reach the each packet and to find the some destination address and switch to the data to the appropriate output links. Next one is telecommunication network. The telecommunication network is kind of a circuit switched network, and this is structured as public network accessible by any of the user. And here the figure shows the telecommunication network where there is a terminal, modem, as well as there is a voice. So here this voice is end-to-end voice. There is a terminal. This terminal is going to communicate to the voice through the modem. And here for the interface, a terminal or a host can be connected to the end office, which switches the communicates with the host are connected to another end office switch by modems at the each end. So here the role of the modem is what the information can be transferred from digital to analog or analog to digital at the source and back to the digital at the destination. Thank you.